everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started!
Singable Words!
The word is
Abdicate.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Abdicate, abdicate. What does it mean? It means to give up, to walk away from power or role you used to play. A king or queen may abdicate to pass a crown. It's not too late. They leave their throne for someone new. A simple choice, but one they'll do.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Quit, reject, hand over.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Continue, stay, pursue.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the queen abdicate the throne? Because she wanted to take a vacation. Get it? Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now let's use it in a sentence. The king decided to abdicate the throne, leaving his kingdom in uncertainty. Let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
The reason why I like Singable Words is because it's fun and Miss Katarina made it. And on top of that, I learned new things. And I just like it because it's music and I like music. Singable Words!